Gayahin natin parang sila, Catriona Gray na parang pagpasok sa bahay, may hawak na aso. Hello guys, welcome to my crib. A house is not a home without a cavalier. So, meron kaming bedroom, smaller bedroom, and then meron kaming bigger bedroom. So, guys, wala kaming masyadong ipagmamalaki sa room namin. First class honors nakalagay. So yun guys, dito sa bahay namin, wala kaming masyadong mga mamahaling mga bagay. Siguro more on mga memories, no? At the opposite of the dining table, meron side table or something like that. Lighting fixture is from IKEA din.
Coffee corner and breakfast corner.
I think we're living a modest life, kumbaga simple life, and that's what we want. This is the entrance of the apartment. This belongs to my housemate Gisela. So that's all hers. These are our shoes here. Wala kaming space to keep these things. So nandyan sila, and this is our toilet. For today's video, papakita namin sa inyo yung siguro typical Irish apartment na older version na, kasi this is an old apartment, 2-bedroom apartment in Midwest of Ireland dito sa County Limerick. And this is our own apartment, so we bought it, well, it's under a mortgage, parang 2 years na ba? May magbabash sa akin. Under mortgage, without T daw, silent T, sabi ni ate na nagbabasher. So, we've, parang bought this property 2 years ago. Siyempre yun, it's under mortgage. We put a down payment. So yun guys, ituturo lang namin kayo siguro to let you know kung ano ba yung nasa loob ng apartment and how it looks like, pag punta kayo dito sa Ireland or kapag bibili kayo ng property. So, let's get on with the vlog. So, pagpasok nyo sa bahay, ito yung makikita nyo. Meron tayong lalagyan na ng mga jacket, mga coats, jacket. Tapos meron kaming bike, which ginagamit lang namin or ginagamit ko pag summertime or kapag hindi umuulan, which is madalang kasi lagi umuulan dito. So, yan. And guys, so we have a small stool dito sa apartment. Andito rin yung mga gamit ni Charlie, yung mga harness, yung mga tali niya, and then basta mga gamit niya pang outside. Ito yung signage na to, a house is not a home without a cavalier. Binigay pala ito naming friend na si Jam and Archie. They're from County Tipperary, so thank you kay Jam and Archie. This painting, it's from a friend from Cat Babay. Pinaint niya si Charlie. Kung di niyo pa kilala guys, ito si Charlie. He's our almost 3 years old na King Charles Cavalier Spaniel. So, siya ang master dito sa bahay na to. So, that's it. Meron kami dalawang shoe rack from IKEA, and then meron ding small mirror. So, yan guys. That's the hallway. Ito nga pala ang aming CR. One and only CR. So, dito sa CR na to guys, medyo this, parang space, kailangan talagang i-renovate. Kailangan i-update yung CR kasi sobrang luma na niya. Pero sa CR na to, syempre meron tayong shower room. Ito yung maliit na shower. Ito yung mga toiletries ng aming aso. Toiletries ni Charlie. And some of the things na, tissue and all that. Nandito na tayo sa parang second hallway. The hallway leading to the main space, living room and the kitchen. And nandito rin ang ating bedroom. So, meron kaming bedroom, smaller bedroom. And then meron kaming bigger bedroom. There's a hallway here. Housemate's room. And this is our room. So, a big enough room with a king-size bed. This is the only cabinet that came with the apartment, so we had to buy another one. This is the one we bought. It cost like 100 euros. These are all our bags. So, wala pa kaming ginagawa dito sa hallway na to. We just repainted yung hallway kasi parang before it was parang color yellow. And then ngayon it's totally blank. Pero we plan to put some, siguro mga parang picture frames or wall art or something here para naman meron siyang konting color at buhay. So, ito nga pala ang first bedroom, which is yung bedroom ng aming roommate. Meron po aming roommate or housemate. So, dito siya nagre-rent sa amin for the meantime. Punta muna tayo sa aming room. Actually, tuloy po kayo sa aming room. So, guys, wala kaming masyadong ipagmamalaki sa room namin. This is our space. Dito kami natutulog. And that's it. Before, guys, na nagre-rent pa lang kami is meron lang dito parang isang maliit na cabinet na parang two-door cabinet. Yun lang talaga yung cabinet na provided. So, ngayon is, ano na siya, parang this has been parang renovated na namin ng konti since nirenew na namin yung mga furniture and yung mga like this bed. Itong bed na binili namin from parang furniture shop dito sa Limerick. This is an ottoman. I think ito yung mga common beds na rin na ginagamit sa mga apartments or mga bagong bahay just to save space. So, nabubuksan siya. And, ayan. So, dito na namin i-store yung aming mga jackets, mga malalaking coats, and yung mga bedsheet, mga blankets na hindi namin ginagamit. So, naging ano na rin siya, parang naging cabinet na rin siya. And also, itong cabinet na to is from IKEA. Most ng mga bagay na makikita nyo dito guys is from IKEA. Kasi IKEA is cheap, diba? Pero maganda rin naman yung quality niya. So ito parang binild lang ni Jonald. So dinesign lang niya online kung ano yung gusto niyang cabinet, the measurement, and kung gaano kalaki, and all that. And then, yun. So parang dineliver na lang dito. And yung partner ko na yun nag-assemble. So, yan, meron na kaming full wardrobe. May mga drawers na rin dito. And all that. And so, very ano siya, very organized na yung aming mga gamit. This lamp is from a company called Hay Lamps. So ano siya, portable lamp siya, and then nahihinaan siya and all that. So parang rechargeable lang siya. So ito yung book na na binigay ni Anyam, yung nag-vlog kami sa Switzerland, and then may nagregalo din sa akin ng book. The same book, si Joyce naman, nung nag-vlog kami sa Wexford. So, nadoble siya. Pero it's a really nice book, Untethered Soul. Yan, kung gusto niyo basahin. Ito naman guys is my workspace. At the moment, dito tayo nag-edit ng mga vlogs natin. Dito yung content creation. Dito yung office ko, kumbaga, sa room namin. So, magulo pa siya. We have a parang lumang table. And, yun, parang a lamp and just a chair, a monitor. So, basic lang. Yung drawer na to, part din siya ng, hindi ko alam kung anong title nito sa IKEA. Alam mo ba? Platza? Hindi. Something like that. Pero yun, kasama na yung drawer. So, magkakasama sila. Isa silang set na ginawa. Dito naman sa part na to guys, nilagay namin yung aming postgraduate diploma. Kasi nag-study kami ng postgraduate diploma course. Ako sa intensive care nursing. Si Jonathan naman ang aking partner sa post-operative care. Sorry, tama ba? Perioperative nursing. So, magkaibang university. Ako sa University College Cork and siya naman sa University of Limerick. So, ayan. So, guys, this is the living room. So, ito binigay ng owner after a colleague transferred here. So, it's bigger. We can accommodate 3 or 4 people. And there's another one here. So, television, we bought it. This is my most precious possession. This is a karaoke machine. Gamit na gamit to sa akin. So, this is where I work. So yun guys, papasok na tayo sa main living area or sa main living space ng aming apartment, which is itong sala. Welcome to our living room. Tapos, okay, so first na makikita nyo dito sa aming living room ay pagpasok nyo from the hallway. At this is from IKEA as well, itong buong unit na to. Dinesign mo ba to? Pwede ka mag-design ka sa IKEA ng online. Magde-design ka kung anong gusto mo at kung anong klaseng bookshelf and gano'ng kahaba, gano'ng mga parang measurements and all that. Memorabilia. So, yeah. So, we just like to remind ourselves na yung mga parang special occasions, special moments na pinagdaanan namin dito sa Ireland. One is yung aming graduation. So, this is me graduating sa University College Cork. And then, siya yung, si Jonad yung aking +1. And then, this is Charlie nung baby pa siya. Ito. So, ito mga book na to ay mga favorite books ko, no? Yan, I don't know if you're into parang self-help, pero mostly mga self-help books siya except for parang ito, The Meaning of Mariah Carey. So guys, ito makikita niyo sa bahay na to, may mga recurring themes sa bahay na to. It's either mga picture ni Charlie or parang Mariah Carey. Kasi idol ko siya si Mariah. And ayun, ito yung mga nakuha namin sa mga iba't ibang bansa. Like for example, nung nag-vlog kami sa Switzerland, kasi sa Switzerland, nung nag-hike kami ng Oceanense Lake, diba? May ang daming mga parang cows na mayroong mga bells. So, nung nakita namin ito sa shop, sabi namin, oh, this will remind us of our trip sa Switzerland. So, eto, which is, sinakyan namin siya sa Madeira. This is called the Toboggan Ride because we want to be reminded nung nagsumakay kami. Funko Pop Special Edition na feature nila si Mariah Carey. Ito yung one of the most memorable experience na ginawa namin recently na nag-cruise kami. West Mediterranean cruise with the Royal Caribbean. Itong portrait na to, this is an oil canvas, parang painting siya, na binigay sa aming friend. Her name is Barbie Bagtas. She was a former head nurse nung nagtatrabaho kami sa Olongapo. So, this wall is parang still blank. Pero balak namin siyang gawin na parang feature wall na meron mga wall art, may mga portraits, mga whatever, parang parang just a feature wall. So guys, yan, welcome to our living room. Ito ang aming favorite space dito sa bahay. Dito kami nagsispend ng time most of the time kasi ito ang aming parang safe space. So guys, yung before na cortina dito, makikita niyo sa video na ipapakita ko. Ano siya, very heavy na red color, no? Red yung before. So parang sobrang lumiliit yung space. Pinalitan lang namin siya naman medyo see-through. Meron kaming vinyl record player. So ito, gift lang to sa akin nung Christmas ni Jonald. Tama ba? So yan. So meron tayong favorite syempre. Makita nyo again, recurring theme sa bahay is Mariah Carey. And most ng mga vinyl dito is yan, Mariah Carey, Butterfly album, number 1 album. Ayan, so medyo marirelax ka na talaga. So, syempre guys, bawat Filipino family or Filipino people dito sa Ireland ay lahat ng bahay na mapunta namin is merong karaoke. Hindi talaga mawawala ang karaoke sa bahay ng isang Pinoy. So, dito sa bahay na to, meron din kaming karaoke. So, itong karaoke na to ay, syempre, regalo. Regalo lang sa akin ni Jonald din nung birthday ko. No? So, niregalo niya ako ng JBL na karaoke na may dalawang mic. Syempre, kumakanta kami. So, one of the few things na gusto namin gawin dito sa sala na to is manood ng movie and then listen to music and also play or sing karaoke.
Just no good without you. Without you.
This is the dining room with our small square table with the 4 chairs in it. That's it. Simple as that. Our fridge and basically our kitchen. And that's it. That's the washing machine. We don't have a laundry room. That's the washing machine right there. Included na siya nung lumipat kami sa apartment. Kitchen area, dining space area. And then, what do you call this space ba? I don't know. Before pala, meron ditong parang single na chair. Pinalitan namin ng, what do you call this? Parang side table. This lamp is from IKEA. Again, meron tayong Funko Pop ni Mariah Carey. Which is, ito naman yung sa niya, fantasy na MTV. Ito yung suot niya. Ito yung mga parang unique dito sa Ireland. Kasi nga, it's parang damp yung air. So, magkakamold ka talaga kapag hindi maganda yung ventilation ng bahay. Meron kaming, tawag dito, dehumidifier. Kasi yung first naming accommodation, nagmo-molds talaga, black molds dun sa ceiling, sa wall. Wala, hindi ko alam yung dehumidifier later. So, it's really, useful sa mga bahay dito sa Ireland. And so, ito naman yung dining table namin, guys. Before, bago pa lang kami dito as renters, meron dito parang small na square table, no? Tapos parang may dalawang bakal na chair. So this table na extend siya up to parang 6 6 na seater. Maganda pa sa table nito guys kasi di ba sabi ko sa inyo parang wala kaming masyadong space dito sa apartment. So dito meron siyang mga drawers na pwede mo lagyan ng mga utensils or whatever. So magkabila yan, meron siyang mga drawers magkabilang side. So it's really handy kasi it saves space kapag nakatupi yung isang side ng table, and then meron ka pa mga storage units dyan from IKEA ulit. This lighting fixture is from IKEA din. Naglagay lang kami ng parang wall art from nabili namin sa isang parang art shop sa Copenhagen na nagpunta kami. So, and then itong frame na to is from IKEA lang din.
This is the kitchen, guys. Nung nire-rent namin to, so everything you see here still the same, wala kaming tinanggal, pero nagdagdag lang kami ng mga like eto, shelf from IKEA, shelf from Amazon, and then I just painted the cabinets. So before, it's a very old brown cabinet, so I just sanded it and then I painted it gray. The dishwasher here, included siya nung nagre-rent kami, nung nabili namin din na tinanggal. We just changed our washing machine kasi after maybe 4 years or 5 years living here in this apartment, bumigay na yung old washing machine. So this is new. And sometimes I love to bake. So this is Kenwood mixer, regalo sa akin ni Nurse Ventura for my birthday last year. Was it last year? 2 years ago. Oh, so we have our stove. So this is induction stove. Kasama na siya nung nagre-rent kami dito. Bumigay lang siya at one point, and then the landlord at that time, so sinabi lang namin na nasira, so nag-install siya kaagad right away. And then our oven, which is kasama na din, still the same old oven nung nagre-rent kami. This is the kitchen.
So yun, I made this video para sa mga nagsusubaybay, sa mga subscribers natin dyan. And just to show kung how we live here dito sa Ireland. Kumbaga, not to brag about the things that we have or the things we achieved. Kasi parang, I think we're living a modest life. Kumbaga, simple life, and that's what we want. By buying a small apartment, no, yung mortgage mo is not that high. Mas maliit yung monthly repayment mo sa mortgage, syempre mas marami kang mas meron kang budget for other things as well. One thing din kasi kapag kumuha ka ng malaking bahay or parang yung brand new na bahay na, for example, 4-bedroom na house, which is super expensive na dito sa Ireland, ang laki ng monthly repayments mo. Parang all your income majority is napupunta dun sa monthly repayment ng mortgage. Syempre, gusto rin namin na parang every now and again nakakapag travel kami elsewhere, and natitreat din namin yung sarili namin na hindi kami na problema sa pagbabayad ng monthly repayment ng mortgage kasi malaki yung mortgage namin. So, yun yung isa sa mga parang thinking na naisip namin na parang okay, we're living in a good parang place, pero we still can do the things that we want to do, like traveling, or parang yun, yung mga buying the things that we want to buy, mga ganung bagay. You can comment down below, guys, and share your story din sa sa home ownership yung journey dito sa Ireland or sa ibang bansa. And if you like this video, don't forget to click the thumbs up, and then subscribe na rin kayo sa channel. And thank you very much for watching. Bye. Say bye, Charlie. So guys, that's it, and I hope you enjoyed the quick tour of here in our apartment. And yeah, the vlog is finally complete.